It's hard to imagine the world without the internet anymore. Ah, that's better. But not perfect. Just like real life, digital life comes with its own risks. So why not make our digital world a safer place? We started dreaming. And that's when it hit us. A secure and open internet for everyone, free from surveillance, censorship, and restrictions. How is that possible? Meet NordVPN. It's an all-inclusive cybersecurity and privacy kit for every day and everyone. It increases your privacy, security, and freedom with just a few clicks. And it does so while keeping your internet connection smooth. It guards your digital freedom by letting you change your virtual location with a click. It protects you from online threats by blocking dangerous websites, trackers, and ads, as well as malware-infected files during download. It scans the web for your leaked credentials, so you can avoid digital emergencies before they do any real damage. With NordVPN's latest MeshNet feature, you can access remote files and work on shared projects wherever you are. NordVPN is more than just a VPN. It's a cybersecurity pack that gives millions of internet users daily confidence on every device for a safer digital life today. NordVPN, cybersecurity built for every day.